Here we come to the elevators at the Toyota Center parking garage in downtown Houston. These are Schindler 500A traction elevators. And we're gonna have a much more better view outside because we are in a clear, big blue sky. See a view into the Toyota Center. And there's your perfect view of downtown Houston. One. Now during the next ride, I'm gonna test out this 4K format. So I want to get a full view of these. I want to get a full view out the window. Beautiful view. It's a beautiful view of the downtown skyline. I'm sorry about about the finger on the lens. I might do it for one more ride. We'll watch the number going up and we'll come back down, get a much better view. Because I just accidentally stuck my finger through the lens. Because I keep canceling my call all the time. I'm so glad I found a perfect opportunity to do a glass elevator ride in this broad daylight. All right, let's go on to one. We'll look out the view in 4K format. Here we go. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and send this up and we'll catch the other elevator car. I may have to press it again because the call keeps canceling. I love the design on the doors. And you hear the chimes still humming. This has been common on a lot of Schindler elevators. 7. Go to 1. I might go for one more ride. This thing runs quite smoothly. I'm definitely gonna have to say that Schindler made some of the best traction elevators, and I say the Schindler traction elevators are probably my second favorite after Otis. Look at that view of the skyline of downtown Houston right there. I forgot to get my cab view. It's just like the other one. You can see up the shaft right there. See? This is into the elevator shaft. On a clear blue sky like this, these elevators run fantastic. All right, and there it goes, and that's it.